first of all, I learned about the how to success in a life or in a AI also by improving our mindset or having a good habits in our life. Thank you, sir, for organizing.
Come. Good.
I am Namita. I belongs to LCA. By this session only, I get to know my goals and my set of properties to achieve. And this session is very helpful for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Good afternoon. Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon. Myself, Vishnu Ragal from Kathmandu, Nepal. Most of the MSc students know me, and MCA students they know me for this. And I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh sir and Central sir for organizing this program to introduce and to give you an idea about how you can succeed in your life. Not only in the career. That's a very good session, sir.
Thank you.
And one thing that I would like to share with you, with my own experience, is that there is something like you can take actions. Of course, you can take action, but there is one thing different between action and inspired action. If you can take inspired action for 21 days, you can attain any habits in your life. That's my thing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Huh?
Book winners.
How many are there book winners? Yes. Do that. Carol.
Myself, Sayan Das. I am from West Bengal and I studied my BCA here in Jain University. And I am a professional photographer. And being a professional photographer, I am heavy. Like my schedule is very hectic to manage academics as well as our works as well. So as I asked sir, how can you manage both the things together at one time? And he gave me a good answer. And with his book, I can able to imply all those positive energy with me. And let's hope I can do my best in both the ways. Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Yes, great. Our book she got.
I'm from MSc Data Science. I would like to thank you, sir, for conducting this great session. And today I got to understand that I have my 8-year-old kid and I was unable to manage after growing. And I will try to manage everything from here.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm Avnish. I'm in the MCA particularly. What I mainly find is like I understand my weaknesses overall, but I procrastinate a lot on them and not try to improve. So these sessions are necessary as well on getting to know yourself better and to understand how you can improve. So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I have one question particularly. Like, what's the you use the name Maga as well? So that's like your artist name as a
No,
author?
Madan. It's basically Madan
Madan
Ganesh.
M.A.
Yeah, so like you use it in like you write your full name when you're as an author or just Maga?
No, Madan Ganesh, but people call me. My wife gave me that name, so I happily call you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm really thankful for this session because I have learned about what the life goes on and if I start my business, how the career goes on and even what implies on the AI. And I have learned few more things about the AI also.
Thank you.
If you people feel that I'm very small, how can I make the difference? If you feel like that, today night you try sleeping with a mosquito. Try to sleep with one mosquito. You will feel the difference. So don't never think that you are small. and I can't make any difference. Right? Whether it is small or big, that is immaterial. Many small differences, if you combine at one point of time, it becomes as a big difference. That's what sir's book title says. I am not busy. So we are having enough time to take care of ourselves. We are having enough time to take care of our family, provided that if you keep this gentleman safe. Yes.
Now I request Dr. Vasanti ma'am, our senior professor, to propose a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. You feel somewhat positive feeling has come to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice to see you all with bright faces. Good afternoon. With this, once again, I would like to thank our Dean Sir for arranging such a energetic, positive workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Madan sir, who has made it lively. In this rapidly evolving world towards AI and automation, we had a workshop on how to pass and think over our human being and to retain the Indian culture. There, I am always towards that. Really, we must appreciate our forefathers and our generations who has given us such a rich culture to us. So not only being crazed towards making everything towards automation, think a moment. We are all just human beings. We are ruling the machines. So be first a human being, be a good human being, be at the present, forget about the past, don't worry about your future. Do your present. 100% give your attention to your present. Definitely you will have a bright future. With this, I would like to again thank our Dean Sir for arranging this wonderful session. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Madan sir, for this wonderful session.
Sit here and we'll